Dear student, welcome to e-learning class managed by Modern Institute of Nevada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Age, Nevada. Today, dear student, I start new part of your syllabus, that is mensuration, and it is area of circle, sector, and segment of a circle. So first discuss we here that what is the circle. Starting, it is the circle. Circle is a figure bounded by points. It is a set of points in which all points are equidistant from a fixed point, and fixed point is called center. Circle is a figure. It is a set of points where all points are equidistant from a fixed point, and the fixed point is called center. And when to join center to the boundary of the circle, it is called radius. So we discuss towards the mensuration. In mensuration, first, what is area? This is the circle. It is called radius, denoted by r. And first, what is the diameter of the circle? Diameter is equal to 2 into radius, that is diameter. Next, what is radius? That is diameter by 2. Third, what is the area of the circle? Area of circle is pi r square. Next, what is the circumference of the circle? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Next, it is related to the area of circle. Now, sector. What is sector of the circle? Sector is the part of a circle. It is bounded by 2 radii and 1 arc. This is AB, and it is the arc of the circle. It is the radius of the circle. It is the radius of the circle. Then this part is known as sector of the circle. That means sector of the circle. It is a figure bounded by 2 radii and 1 arc. This is the arc, and this arc is also denoted by L, and radius denoted by R, and this angle also central angle, it is denoted by theta. It is also called as central. So what is the area of the circle? Sorry, sector. Area of the sector, it is equal to theta, that is the central angle, theta by 360 and into pi r square. Next, what is the area of the circle also? If the length of r given, then you can write area of the sector when length of arc is given, that is L, then you can use that is 1 by 2 into L into R. When length of R given, radius given, then use this formula. This is also area of the sector where L is the length of R, and if theta is given, then you can use theta by 360 pi r square. Now, if both are the area of sector, then other formula, what is the length of R? It is equal to 2 pi r theta by 360. It is the length of the arc. L is denoted to the length of the arc. Now, last step, that is segment. And segment is here. A curve divides the circle into 2 equal parts, and each part is known as the segment. Suppose it is a circle and AB is the curve, then this part AXB is the known as the minor segment, and it remain the part is called major segments. So formula is only minor segment, area of the minor segment, area of the minor segment is equal to theta by 360 pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. This is the area of the minor segment. This is theta by 360 pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta, where theta denoted the central angle, and you remember the value of sin 30, 45, 60, etc. Then use the formula. An easy way, you can find the area of minor segment. But how you can find the major segment? If you find area of minor segment, then this area subtracted from the whole area of the circle, that means pi r square, subtract the minor segment, then you get area of the major segment. So first you find what is the area of minor segment, then you subtract in the whole circle, that is the area of major segment. I started your example of exercise 16a from example 3. 1 and 2 for examples is very easy. You solve it using the formula only. So see example 3, that is a steel wire when bent in the form of a square. A steel wire is bent in the form of a square and enclose an area 121 cm square. Now the same wire is bent into form of the circle. Then what is the area of the circle? Dear student, a wire made a form of a square, then and after this it is again bent in the form of a circle. Then what is the same part of these two figures? It is only possible the perimeter of the square is always equal to the circumference of the circle, because wire is the bent of, when wire bent, then it form a square, then wire is removed and then again bent it in the form of the circle, then it is clear the outer part of the wire, this is equal to the this part. That means circumference of the circle is equal to the perimeter of the square. So first we find what is the perimeter of the square. But here given the area of a square, then area of a square is given 121 cm square, and area of a square is a square, side square is 121 cm square. Then what is a? That is under root 121 cm square, that is 11 cm. If a is 11 cm, then what is the perimeter of the square? So we write perimeter of the square, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into 11, that is 44 cm. Perimeter of the square is 44 cm, and the perimeter of the square is equal to circumference of the circle. So we write here circumference of a circle is equal to 44, because perimeter of the square is equal to the circumference of the circle, and this is formula is 2 pi r is equal to 44 cm not square. Then here is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44 cm. So what is the value of r? Then it is equal to 44 into 7 by 2 into 22. Then 22 are 2 to cancel, that means r is equal to 7 cm. If r is equal to 7, the other question is what is the area of the circle? What is the area of the circle? So area is equal to pi r square. So write here 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, because r is the square, 7 cancel, then 154 cm square is the area of the square. Now see example 6, that is a road which is 7 meter wide, surrounds a circular park whose circumference is 352 meter. That is a circular park is given whose circumference is 352, and a 7 meter wide road surrounding it, that means this part is 7 meter. Then find the area of the road. Then what is the area of this part? Your question is. So first what is given here? They are given that the which circumference is 352. This is the park. This is the part of the park, and which circumference is 352. So we write circumference is equal to 352. That means centimeter. That means 2 pi r is equal to 352 meter. Here 2 into 22 by 7 into R is equal to 352 meter. So what is R? R is 352 into 7 by 2 into 22. Density 2, then 17 and 6 and 28 ja 176, that is 56. That means the radius of this spark is given 56 meter. Now your question is what is the area of this spark? Then it is clear there are two radius. One radius R is equal to 56 meter. Another radius, that is capital R, it is denoted from here to here. R is equal to 56. Now see, if R is equal to 56 and the width of this spark is given 7 meter, the width of the road is 7 meter. That means what is the capital R? Then it is 56 plus 7, that is 56 plus 7, hence it is 63 meter. So dear student, now your question is what is the area of this road? So the area of this road only find subtracted the area of the circle from big circle. So what is the area of the road? So right here, area of the road, area of the road, this is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. This is R is 63 square minus this R is equal to 56 square. Now write here 22 by 7. It is 63 plus 56. A square minus b square, a plus b, and it is a minus b. Then here is 22 by 7, 1119 into 7. 7 cancel. So 22 into 1119 and multiply it and get your solution. That is the area of the road. So how you find here? First circumference is given. With the circumference help you find the radius R. After adding this the width of the road, then you find the capital radius and subtract the area of these two circles, then you can find the area of the road. Now see question number 8. If the perimeter of a semicircular protector is 36 cm, find its diameter. I draw here, it is a figure of protector. OA is the radius and AB is the diameter. So your question is here, find its perimeter is 36. So what is the perimeter of this semicircular protector? The perimeter pi r is the circumference of this part, and that means half of the circle. This is the circle, the whole part is called 2 pi r. But you half it, then it is half of this circle is equal to half of this perimeter, then it is pi r. But this part will be also added, so it is equal to 2r. This is pi r and this is 2r. Then pi r plus 2r is given 36. So dear student, you can take r as a common. Then what is here? Pi plus 2 is equal to 36 centimeter. 36 centimeter. Now write r 22 by 7 plus 2 is equal to 36 centimeter. Then r 7 and here is 22 plus 14. Here is 36 cm. Then r into 36 by 7 is equal to 36 cm. Then what is the value of r? Then r is equal to 36 into 7 by 36. It is cancelled, so it is 7 cm. So if radius will be 7, then your question is what is the diameter? So diameter is equal to 2r. Hence 2 into 7, that is 14 cm. So dear student, when your question is related to perimeter of the semicircle, perimeter of semicircle is pi r plus 2r, because pi r is the half of the circle and 2r is the diameter. So perimeter is the boundary of the part of the figure, so it is the pi r and it is the 2r. So perimeter is pi r plus 2r. Then with the help of this formula, you can find the value of r. After that, when you find r, then diameter is equal to 2r. That is 2 into 7. That is 47. That's okay. Next question is example 10. This question is related to distance equal to circumference into revolution. Here is the diameter of each wheel bus is 140 cm. How many revolutions per minute must a wheel make in order to make its speed of 66 km per hour? That means your question is the speed of bus is 66 km per hour. Then how many revolutions turn in 1 minute? If the diameter of the wheel is given 140 centimeter. So one formula is very important to relate that type of question. Distance is equal to revolution into circumference. It is from the help of this formula there are three things: distance, number of revolution and circumference. Then you can find the third part of the any part of the questions. Here is given that diameter is equal to 140 cm. So what is the radius? Then radius is equal to 70 cm. What is circumference? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. That is 2 into 22 by 7 and r is 70. So here is 2 10 r. Then here is 20 into 22 into 20 cm. It is the circumference. And next your question is what is the distance? Your question here is per minute and the speed is given 60 km per hour. So what is the distance in 1 minute? So distance is equal to a speed into time. A speed into time. Here the speed is 66 km per hour and time is 1 minute. That is 1 by 60. Because it is minute and here per hour, so time is 1 by 60. 1 minute changing to hour. Then here 6, 11 and it is 10. So 11 by 10 kilometer. But here is given bus, the diameter is centimeter. So it change this distance in centimeters divided by 10 into thousands. Now in meter and hence it's centimeter. So you can see then 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So distance will be 1100 centimeter. So I write here 1100 centimeter is equal to number of revolution. Then revolution is what? Your question. And what is circumference? Circumference is 22 into 20. So what is the number of revolution? That is 1100 by 20 into 20. It is the number of revolution. Because distance is equal to revolution into circumference. So circumference is from here 22 into 20. Then what is the revolution? Then it is divided by this. What you get here, you can see 2 times 11. Can see 11 1 ja. Then it is 1000 and here is 2 ja. That means it is 1000 by 2 into 2. So you can see it, then you get 500 and if you can see then you get 250. That means in 1 minute the number of revolution will be 250. Dear student, there are so many questions in your exercise related to distance, revolution and circumference. So one formula you always remember it, that distance is equal to revolution into circumference. So how you find first you change in all unit in the all term in the same unit. Here it is centimeter, but here a speed will be kilometer. So convert into also centimeter and then use this formula, substitute their value, the remaining part you can find it. So dear student, the remaining questions from up to example 15 of exercise 16a, try to solve by yourself. If any problem, then ask to me. Thank you dear student.